In this lesson, we'll talk about canvas size versus image size. Let's start with canvas size. Canvas size changes the frame around the content. So if I were to take a crop tool and crop the canvas size down, press return, that's what's meant by canvas size. It changes the frame of the content. Image size changes how the content is viewed. You can scale the entire composition up or down with resolution, affecting the pixels. You would go to image size. You could make the resolution smaller, or you could keep the resolution the same way and make the width or height smaller. If I were to make the width 1000, it would change the height automatically. When I click OK, you'll notice that this image is going to get smaller. Click OK. Did you see how it got smaller? Double click on the magnifying tool, and this is how big it is. Look down here, it says 100%. That means we're viewing the image at 100%, and it's bigger than the viewable area in Photoshop. If I do an edit, undo image size, it will take the size back to what it was before, and at 100%, you'll notice that the image is much bigger. So that's the difference between canvas size and image size.